Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's November 27th, 2022, and the snow has all but completely melted off, so that's real good. Got the sheep mulching and tree guards up on the front of the property there yesterday. I came down and I took the Premier One fencing off of the central garden here so that the deer can more easily get in there and browse the cover crop. Yesterday the sun was out in the afternoon for a little while and the bees were going after the mustard flowers, which was real nice. But this was all completely covered by snow and got snapped and all, and the deer were popping over the fence. So I thought I'd take this fence down so the deer can get in there easily and fatten up during this stressful time and all. Winter's coming. And so one of the things I want to start working on today, I won't get it done today. So we used to have the Hardy Kiwis up on this trellis or pergola arbor that I created, a little over 10 years ago. And I decided I'm going to use this material other places on the property and start to take this down. So I took down the Hardy Kiwis this spring, and that's when I modified the eastern garden plot there, shortened it and all. And so one of the next step is getting this out, and in order to do this I've got to get the 2x2 cross members up there off, and they're all attached with Phillips head screws, and it's probably a little over a decade ago that I put that up. So who knows what condition. I wish I had used the star-shaped screw heads. That would have been much better and much easier. Phillips heads, they tend to strip out, especially once they get rusted. These are all coated, but we'll see how that works. So that's one of the things I'm going to try and do, is get some of the screws out of the 2x2 so I can get those down. I probably won't get any further than that. I'm calling for rain at about noon today, so we'll see how things go. Well, it's the next morning, and I'm very sore, and but I was able to get the 2x2s off of the top of the structure, so that went pretty well. Beat the rain. It did start raining towards the end of getting the 2x2s off, but it got a little bit heavier. We didn't get heavy rains, but we get the winds, and it's cold. And as a result, I'm pretty achy after taking those off. So today I'm going to take it pretty easy and work inside. But I was able to get all the 2x2s off. The rest of the structure, first I got to pick up all the 2x2s tomorrow. I'll do that. The rest of the structure, I have the galvanized carriage bolts binding the 2x6s to the 6x6s, and there's 6 in each post. There's 8 posts, so there's 48 bolts. And up here it looks like I use pocket screws. So I'll get the pocket screws out, and all of these also have coated screws holding the boards on, besides all of the bolts as well. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to get more of this structure down. I'd really like to do that. We'll reuse all the materials. These are pressure treated boards, which are commonly used in the Northeast. Pressure treated pine boards they are. I've had real bad luck with 6x6s in the ground around here in the past. They rot out in about 15 years. So I don't use them for the long term. So we'll see what these 6x6s, the bases, look like. This is a nice high spot, so everything slopes away, so the ground really probably won't be too moist here, but we'll see. And so that's about it. So that was yesterday's video. I'm going to take it easy today. I hope everybody's staying cool and calm and enjoying their late fall and early winter weather and all. Thanks so much for watching, folks. Stay safe and take good care of yourselves. Bye-bye now.